Hello everyone, welcome to Crazy Physics. Today's video is awesome for awesome. Why? If you given this type of question and find first perturbation, and if I tell you, you do that in just 2 seconds. Yes, it is possible if you connect with this channel. So let's start with this trick and enjoy the complete video. So here I write 2 questions and many other questions which are based on this type of trick. So basically, mainly 2 conditions we have to learn. First condition, we see the potential valve. Potential valve should be a asymmetric type of potential valve, and second, the potential must be the constant. If these 2 conditions are followed, then go with this trick. So here these questions came in CSIR NET December 2017, and these questions came in CSIR NET December 2011. If these questions are solved with explanation and by method, then these questions are completely finished within 3 and 4 minutes. So don't waste our more time. Let's start. So our first question is, consider a one-dimensional infinite square valve where Vx 0 for x goes to 0 to a and infinite to others. So basically, first of all, we draw the potential valve and the perturbations according to the statement. So here the potential valve given in the asymmetric type of potential valve, 0 to a and infinite for others. And now see the perturbation, say delta Vx, which is V naught, x goes to 0 to a by 3. Now here a by 2 and now here a by 3. So in these regions potentials V naught, which is constant. So here basically these questions follow these 2 conditions. Potential should be constant and potential valve should be a asymmetric type of potential valve. Now the trick is strength of potential, which is given in question, multiply by the length of perturbation which is given also in question, divided by length of valve. Here in these questions, strength of potential V naught, which is constant, multiply by length of the perturbation, which is a by 3, divided by length of valve, which is a. Cancel out. Here we got V naught by 3, which is equal to 0.33 V naught, which is our right answer. So this is our second question. In this questions, a constant perturbation S1 acts on a particle of mass m confined in an infinite potential valve between 0 to L. Between 0 to L, the first order correction to the ground state energy is. So here in this questions diagram is given. So write constant potential in these regions V naught by 2 multiply by length of perturbation divided by complete length L plus constant perturbation here V naught multiply by given region L minus L by 2 length of perturbation divided by length of valve. कैंसिल, तो हेयर V नोट बाई 4 प्लस का V नोट बाई, यहाँ से कितना आ जाएगा L बाई 2, L से L कैंसिल, तो हेयर V नोट बाई 2, तो विच इज इक्वल टू 3 V नोट बाई 4. दिस इज अवर आंसर, राइट. तो these questions, if you do with the help of this trick, then you can solve within 2 seconds. So our next question. So other questions, पोटेंशियल समथिंग, कुछ पोटेंशियल कुछ भी हो सकता है. पोटेंशियल है गिव, मतलब नीचे नेगेटिव में भी हो सकता है, इन बिटवीन समथिंग किसी रीजन में भी गिवन हो सकता है, मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है, एनीथिंग. बट कंडीशंस क्या होनी चाहिए? कंडीशन मस्ट बी फर्स्ट पोटेंशियल शुड बी कांस्टेंट एंड आफ्टर दैट सेकंड जो कंडीशन होगी वो पोटेंशियल वैल्यू शुड बी ए एसिमेट्रिक टाइप ऑफ पोटेंशियल वैल्यू। तो अदर्स क्वेश्चन देखती हूँ। नाउ इफ द क्वेश्चन गिवन लाइक दैट, माइनस वी नोट बाई 4 0 to a, तो हेयर जो पोटेंशियल है वो पोटेंशियल वैल्यू सॉरी एसिमेट्रिक टाइप ऑफ एंड गिवन पोटेंशियल शुड बी कांस्टेंट, दैट इज माइनस वी नोट बाई 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई द कंप्लीट रीजन्स में है, थ्रू आउट द पोटेंशियल है वो अप्लाई की गई है, तो कितनी आएगी a डिवाइडेड बाई a। तो हेयर आंसर माइनस वी नोट बाई 4। तो इफ अगर पोटेंशियल लाइक दैट ऐसे हो इनफाइनाइट 0 to a एंड गिवन रीजन a/3 to a/2, यहाँ पे कोई भी पर्टर्बेशन अप्लाई किया गया हम v नोट, देन हाउ कैन वी सोल्व, v नोट मल्टीप्लाई बाई लेंथ ऑफ पर्टर्बेशन कितनी होगी a/2 माइनस a/3 डिवाइडेड बाई कंप्लीट लेंथ a। तो दिस टाइप इस प्रकार से आपको ये सभी क्वेश्चंस करने हैं। ओके, तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड वेट फॉर नेक्स्ट वीडियो।